Hello, today here we are going to discuss the practical number 6 to create the menus and menu grouping using the HTML of internet programming subjects. Now, the aim of practical is to create menu and menu grouping using the HTML. How to create the menus in HTML? Here you may observe the HTML body tag, B indicator bold where we mention the department as a bold. Select having the options information technology department, it again having the options. If we have the multiple options we can provide it into the options. So how many departments here we have? Here we have total 4 departments. So how many options here we require? Here we require the 4 options, and it must be under the select tag. Okay, and close the body tag, close the HTML tag. So it is a simple how to create the menus. So using this we are going to create the menus. Afterward we are going to again execute this given code. Now we are second types. Here we have grouping of menus. How we group the menus? In first types here we have created just a simple menu. How we grouping the menus? Now here we are going to discuss the how we grouping the menus. Here we have given the file name that is called as a minigroup.html, HTML body, where we given the marquee directions, right? Welcome to TGP City. Where we float one directions, it indicate the welcome to TGP City. It is rotate in the right directions by using the marquee tag. Where direction is attributes and right is a value. Okay, so it can be happen with the help of marquee tag. Now here you may observe the S2 tag. B, the subject options here we have given. What here we have given? The subject options here we have given using the S2 tag. Select OPT group. What here we have provided? OPT group label equals to subject name 4 semesters. What here we have provided? Subject name 4 semester. Now option value equals to cow, where we provide the cow. Option value DMGT, second we have provided DMGT, option value third as given earlier example. Where OPT groups here we have closed. Here you may see the OPT groups here we have closed. Now it shows the output for first how we create the OPT groups. Here you may observe department, information technology department, computer science and engineering department, mechanical and electrical. These 4 departments we have created. Here you may observe it is a menu groupings. Okay, it shows the menu groupings. It shows the simple menus, how to create a menu. So these 2 types here we have discussed. Now we are going to execute the how we execute the menu practicals, and how we group the menus. Okay, first we are going to create how to create the menus. Okay, so now we are going to execute the practicals. Now it is executed. Click open with browsers. Now here you may find the department where we provide the 4 department: information technology department, computer science engineering, mechanical and electrical. These 4 departments we have provided, that is a simple example using the menus. Okay, now here we are going to discuss the code how we write it. Here you may observe HTML body department. Here select tag options having the 4 options: information technology department, computer science, mechanical, electrical, and we close the select tag. Now we are going to discuss the second practicals or execute the second practical, that is called as a how to menu grouping. Okay, again we are going to open that menu grouping practicals by clicking it. Now we observe the output how we use it. Here you may observe that the welcome to TGP City, it is rotate in right directions. Okay, welcome to TGP City, we can make it as a left directions also. If you make it as a left, then it will work as a left directions. Here we provide the select options where we make as a menu groups. That means subject name 4 semesters, cow DMGT top. Okay, second menu under the same group is subject name 6 semester DBMS OS and IP. So this is indicate how we perform the menu group practicals. Okay, this indicate how we execute the menu group practicals. Now here we going to discuss the code, or we can view source code. Here you may observe the HTML body mark you directions equals to right. Directions indicate the attributes, okay, and the right indicate the value of that attributes. Welcome to Tgip City. It is a simple text where we make it as a rotate in directions, okay. H2 tag subject options here we have provided. Then again we have select tag, okay. Under that select tag we have, here you may observe the select tag where we create the menu group opt groups label equals to subject name 4 semesters. Under that we have provided a cow DMGT and top options. Again we have closed the OPT groups. Like first group here, how many groups here we have created? Here we have created 2 groups. First group here we have closed. Okay. Now for the second OPT group label 1, what subject over here we have provided? DBMS, OS and IP. The subject name of 6th semester DBMS, OS and IP. Then here again we close the OPT groups. So it shows the how we create the mini groups, okay. This is related to grouping of menu, okay. So what is our practical to create a menu and menu grouping using the HTML. So that's related practical number 3. So thank you.